Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing of a phone I picked up on eBay. This one has the original box, and I'm pretty sure it's just wrapped around, so I'm not going to cut it too much. That's what I thought. So there's a phone right there. Pretty simple packaging. Alrighty. It is the Samsung SPH-A880. Owner's manual, and then here's the phone. It is the lavender color. I'm pretty sure it's dead. Might have a Samsung charger right here. We're going to take this off. And we'll go over here and test this one real quick with all the other phones over here just chilling. There's a button right there. Works. I think the guy said the battery was bad, which would be understandable in this. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one.